it's me, Harry, and I learned how to do my first time. I am my second time learning, and my mommy learning how to do no train wheels, and Daddy, both of my parents helped me with no train wheels.
Okay.
And spun right now.
And here we go.
And there's no more school.
Right. Need a little push. Excellent job.
You guys can do it all day long.
Really? You've had lots of practice, Harry. You look great. Good job, Harry. You're using your brakes great. You stopped safely too. Good job. That's it, little turns on the steering wheel. Little bits. This is pretty flat here. We'll send this to Grandma. Yeah, and Auntie Sue.
Yeah, all your friends.
Yeah, Uncle Gilles and Eddie. Oh, good corner, Harry. Good job, Harry. Perfect. You're amazing. And stop. So that's Harry's very first solo bike ride here.
You can say hi to Daddy.
Okay, hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Okay.
Even and fantastic. So bye, guys.
Everyone have a good summer.
Stand with your friends.
Okay.